Welcome back students. Today in this module we will discuss about the characteristic features and classification of kingdom fungi. The members of kingdom fungi are usually heterotrophic in nature because they do not have photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll. Therefore, they are unable to synthesize their own food and hence they are dependent on other organisms to obtain their food. Fungi are cosmopolitan in nature and they may be present in air, water, soil, and on animals and plants. Usually, fungi are filamentous in nature, except yeast, which is a unicellular fungi. Their bodies consist of long, slender, thread-like structures called fungal hyphae. Some hyphae are continuous tube filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called sinocytic hyphae, while others have septi or cross walls in their hyphae. The cell wall of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharides. Classification of kingdom fungi. The members of kingdom fungi are broadly classified into three kingdoms: Gymnomycota, Oomycota, and Eumycota. Oomycota is further classified into two categories: Phycomycetes and Zygomycetes. Eumycota is further classified into Deuteromycota, Escomycota, and Basidiomycota and Mycophycophyta. The classification of fungi is basically done on the basis of reproductive structures present in them. Here is the comparative account of different groups of kingdom fungi. The mode of nutrition in Phycomycetes is parasitic mode of nutrition. These are usually obligate parasites on plants. Phycomycetes can reproduce by spore formation, which are produced in specialized reproductive structures known as sporangia. Sexual spores are oospores or zygospores formed by the union of gametes. Phycomycetes sexually reproduce by zoospores or by aplanospores. The next category is Ascomycetes. They are usually parasitic, saprophytic, or coprophilous in nature. It means they can feed on the dead and decaying body parts of plants and animals. They can survive as parasitic organism on other organisms. They can reproduce by asexual spores called ascospores, which are formed in the ascocarps, which are the fruiting bodies of the members of class Ascomycetes. Sexual spores are called ascospores, which are produced in sac-like structures called as ascus. It is the characteristic feature of the members of group Ascomycetes on the basis of which they can be identified separately from the other classes of kingdom fungi. The next category is Basidiomycetes. The members of this group are usually parasitic in nature. They can reproduce sexually as well as asexual reproduction methods. Asexual spores occurs in the form of basidiocarps. Basidias are arranged in basidiocarps, which are the fruiting bodies. In the members of Basidiomycetes, plasmogamy occurs by the fusion of somatic and vegetative cells. Dikaryotic structures makes basidium. Karyogamy for production of 4 basidiospores takes place. The next group of kingdom fungi is Deuteromycetes. The members of this group are usually saprophytic or parasitic in nature. They can reproduce by conidia formation, while sexual reproduction method is unknown in them. Therefore, they are also called as the fungi imperfecti. They do not have a perfect sexual stage. Some common examples of different groups of kingdom fungi are Rhizopus, Mucor, Albugo, Pythium of Phycomycetes or the lower fungi. In Ascomycetes or sec fungi, yeast, Aspergillus, Penicillium, Neurospora are the common representatives. In group Basidiomycetes, Agaricus, Polysporus, Puccinia and Astilogos are some common examples, while in Deuteromycetes, Fusarium and Trichoderma are the common representatives. That's all for today's lecture. In the next module, we will discuss about the characteristic features of kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Thanks for watching.